Hey everyone, welcome back to the WA Electronics channel. Today we're taking a closer look at a tool that's a must-have for anyone dealing with electronics, batteries, or DIY projects. The Fnirsi HRM 10 Battery Voltage Internal Resistance Tester. We'll be unboxing it, going over its key features, and of course, testing it out to see how it performs. Let's dive in. First, let's take a look at the packaging. The HRM19 comes in a compact, well-designed box. On the front, we have a picture of the tester and some key features listed. On the back, there's more detailed information about its specifications. All right, let's start by unboxing this device. Inside the box, we have the tester unit itself. A pair of crocodile clip test leads, a USB Type-C cable for charging, and a user manual. The tester has a compact design, which makes it portable. It's got a 2.4-inch color LCD screen, a button on the front, and a Type-C port for charging on the side. The build quality feels solid for its size, and the screen is large enough to display clear readings. Let's go ahead and power this thing on. When you turn it on, you're greeted with a bright display that shows the battery voltage, internal resistance, and additional information like battery capacity estimates. This is a versatile tool for testing a wide range of batteries, like 18650 AA, AAA, lithium-ion batteries, nickel metal hydride batteries, and even lead-acid batteries. It has automatic identification, so it recognizes the type of battery as soon as you connect it, and the screen updates instantly. One of the highlights is that this device tests both the voltage and internal resistance of batteries. Why is this important? Voltage tells you the electrical potential of the battery, basically how charged it is. But internal resistance is equally important because it can indicate the health of the battery. The higher the resistance, the more difficult it is for the battery to deliver its power effectively, which could mean the battery is degraded. Simple diagram showing a battery with low and high internal resistance. So, the Fnirsi HRM10 lets you quickly assess whether a battery is still usable or if it's time to recycle it. Let's test it out. I have a few old and new batteries here. Let's see what the tester says. Let's start by testing a new 1.5-volt rechargeable AA battery with the Fnirsi HRM10. The tester shows a voltage of 1.6 volts and an internal resistance of approximately 196 milliohms, which is a good resistance for a new battery. Next, we'll test some old 9-volt batteries. The first one shows a voltage of 7.7 volts and an internal resistance of around 7 ohms, indicating some degradation. The second 9-volt battery shows 8.8 volts and an internal resistance of 2.8 ohms, meaning it's in better condition and still usable. Now, let's check an old Nokia mobile phone battery. The Fnirsi HRM10 shows a voltage of 0.3 volts, and an internal resistance is much higher at around 116 ohms, indicating that this battery is nearing the end of its life. Moving on to a 1.2-volt AAA rechargeable battery. The tester shows 1.2 volts and an internal resistance of 40 milliohms, which is excellent for a new battery. For next 1.5 volt AAA rechargeable battery, the Fnirsi HRM10 shows 1.6 volts and an internal resistance ranging from milliamps to ohms due to poor contact. Finally, let's test an old rechargeable battery. The tester shows 0.2 volts and an internal resistance of approximately 74 milliamps. This is really helpful, especially when you have a batch of batteries and you want to figure out which ones are still good without fully charging and discharging them. Now that we've tested it out, let's go over some pros and cons. Pros: portable and compact design, easy to carry around, accurate and fast readings, provides instant battery health assessments, multi-battery support, works with various types of batteries, clear, bright display. The large screen is easy to read even in daylight. The automatic identification is also a huge plus. You don't have to manually select the type of battery, it does it for you. Cons: limited advanced features. While it's great for everyday users, professionals might find it lacking advanced analysis tools. Short test leads. The provided crocodile clips are a bit short, but you can always use extensions. Overall, the Fnirsi HRM10 is a great addition to any toolkit, especially if you frequently work with batteries. It's affordable, easy to use, and gives you crucial information about your battery's health in seconds. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, this tester is a handy little gadget. If you're interested in picking one up, I'll leave a link in the description below. That's it for today's unboxing and review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future reviews. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another product you'd like me to review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.